Welcome to the jungle, kids. Today is a very special day. It's Monkey's first day at jungle school.
School? Oh, I feel shy, but also happy.
Don't worry, my little one. Take your backpack, your bananas, and your smile. You'll have fun.
Hello, hello, hello to you. Welcome, kids. Let's learn something new. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. School is fun, oh what a treat.
Hello, hello, hello my friend. Learning together never ends. Smile so big and sing along. Let's begin with our happy song.
Monkey packs too many bananas. Oops, he falls down.
Welcome, Monkey.
Okay.
Today, we'll learn ABC and numbers. Let's begin.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for banana.
A, B, C, come sing with me. Letters are fun, as easy as can be. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for banana, yummy treat. C is for cat, who likes to play. D is for dog, who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, who's not so small. Now clap your hands and sing once more. Letters open every door. G to Z, let's sing them too. Learning ABC is fun for you.
Let's count bananas from 1 to 20.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, where did banana number 7 go?
Not me.
1, 2, 3, count with me. 4, 5, 6, so fun to see.
7, 8, 9, 10, hooray! Numbers are friends, we meet each day. 11, 12, 13, 2, 14, 15, we love you. Bananas here, bananas there, count them all, everywhere. Numbers dancing, can't you see? Counting's fun for you and me.
During recess, the kids play hide and seek. Monkey hides in a banana box.
Where's Monkey? Not here.
Not here! Okay. Big and small, fast and slow, up and down, high and low, hot and cold, dark and bright, day and night, left and right. Learning opposites every day helps us in a funny way. Sing it loud and sing it clear. Opposites are everywhere.
Red ball, blue car, yellow banana.
Green banana. Red, blue, yellow, green. So many colors to be seen. Purple, orange, black, and white. Colors make the world so bright. Circle, round, and square, so neat. Triangle has 3 little feet. Rectangle long, star that shines. Shapes and colors are so fine. Let's all sing and let's all clap. Shapes and colors on the map. Look around, what do you see? Colors, shapes, for you and me.
At lunch, Monkey doesn't want to share.
Monkey, sharing makes everyone happy.
Sharing toys, sharing food. Sharing makes a happy mood. Friends forever, side side by side. Sharing fills our hearts with pride. When we share, we smile so wide. Love and kindness live inside. Sharing makes the world so bright. Let's all share with hearts so light.
Monkey, today you learned ABC, numbers, colors, and shapes. And the most important lesson, sharing.
Yes, teacher! School is so much fun! I can't wait for tomorrow!
And tomorrow, a new adventure begins. Banana treasure hunt. Stay tuned, kids.
Goodbye, kids. See you soon. Under the stars or under the moon. Learning is fun every day. Come back tomorrow. Hip, hip, hooray. Wave your hands and clap along. Goodbye, friends. It's the end of the song. Tomorrow's fun will come again. See you soon, my little friends.
And so ended Nana's very first day of school, full of ABCs, bananas, and a very bright future.
Children, it's break time. Let's go near the lake. Yay! Picnic time. Let's sit under the tree.
I brought carrots. I brought dates.
Bananas, of course. Remember, sharing makes friends happy.
Sharing is caring.
Oh no! My sandwich fell in the water. Slurp!
The fish ate it. Sharing is caring is caring.
Carrots, bananas, apples too. Yummy food is good for you. Healthy snacks for everyone. Picnic time is full of fun.
Eat healthy, kids.
No more chips. I'll eat fruit like Nana.
Let's play a learning game.
Yay! Yay!
Who knows this letter? Z for zebra? I know. A for apple.
Yay! Yay!
Correct! Well done, Rabbit!
A, B, C, come sing with me. Letters are fun, as easy as can be.
Now, count backwards from 10 to 1.
10, 9, 8.
3, 4, 5?
No, Nana, like this. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Yeah!
Time to go home.
Tomorrow we'll have another story!
Yeah!
And maybe more bananas.
Goodbye, goodbye, see you soon. Learning fun from noon to noon.
And that's how Nana's first day became a memory full of laughter, food, and dreams.
Before you go home, let's have a dance!
Clap your hands, stomp your feet, jungle rhythm, feel the beat.
Wave your arms, turn around. Learning fun is all around.
This was the best day ever. Tomorrow will be even better.
Good night, time to rest. Tomorrow's learning will be the best.
And so, the Jungle School's very first day ended not only with ABCs and bananas, but with friendship, fun, and dreams of tomorrow. Children, please subscribe Nana Monkey YouTube channel and press bell button for next adventurious video. And share this video with your friends.